Say what we doing. What we making?
I'm gonna tell my mom.
Yeah, tell me.
Hey, Mom.
And tell her what we making.
Let your pizza. And let
Hold
your,
it up. Hold it up.
and
Today
let
we're
your,
making pizzas.
let your kids be a baby with this. Mama, let your baby.
Hold it up together and say, hey guys, we're making pizzas.
Hey guys, we making pizza.
Alright, so Tristan's
Hey,
gonna have
Mom.
Tristan's gonna help us
Mom,
make
you gotta have
pizza.
you stab to see what you're doing. Don't yell. Mom, you gotta leave. Just don't take it there. I wanna see.
Alright, you know how to get a knife.
Really?
Who gets a pizza? Who are you cooking for?
You. You, my mom. My mom gonna bring the pizza. And
No,
y'all
she's not bringing it. We're making it, buddy.
Are we gonna make it?
Yeah.
They gonna put it in there and
We're
bring
put it
it?
in the stove.
Why? So it can cook.
Yep.
And then we're gonna cut it, and then when we see the pizza. Now come and see this. Now come and see this, now.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna make one. We're gonna do yours first. Alright? So, are you ready?
Look at that pizza.
Wow. We're gonna put some olive oil on it.
Olive oil. Let me do it.
Alright, let's get you a stove. Just a little bit. Alright, put it on there. Pour it on it, and then move it around like that. Tristan, what is this? Daddy and Tristan
Kitchen
kitchen edition.
Kitchen edition.
Alright, so we got that. Don't lick it.
I'm not gonna lick it.
Alright, so now you're gonna take your ready for your sauce.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna do it.
I'm gonna do it.
Gonna rub it in.
I'm gonna rub it in.
Alright, just not that much.
Not that much, brother.
Alright, put it on.
Put it on there.
Alright, and then rub it around.
Rub it around.
Yep, get it in there. Good job, buddy.
This thing we have is my mama to cook this pizza and put it in the stove.
No, you're gonna cook it and put it in the stove. Tristan, is pizza one of your favorite foods? Don't lick it. Pizza one of your favorite foods, right?
Yeah. Cook it. Do cook it.
Are you doing pepperonis or are you just doing cheese?
Let's do pepperoni and cheese.
Okay, so alright, so we're gonna go get now we gotta get the cheese out.
Yeah, we gotta get the cheese out. That's mine.
And then who else are you making one for? You said you're making one for Nanny and me?
And I make one for you by myself. And
Alright, so make sure that's
and
important.
I ordered by mine.
Exactly. So
Let's
go
do
ahead.
it.
Get the cheese. Yep.
Get the cheese out.
And put it on and sprinkle it on. Sprinkle it on. Yay! Good job, buddy.
Now come see the cheese that I put on it.
More cheese.
Now come see I put the cheese.
Spread it around, buddy.
Hmm?
Spread it around.
They look like noodles.
Yummy, yum.
Mm.
Now you want more? Yeah, you like cheese. You like cheese pizza. Moms and dads, this is a perfect project while you in quarantine.
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 I'm gonna some.
Shout out to my mom. She's over there. say shout out to Nanny. She's here watching us.
Not doing that. He see it sitting right there.
So are you?
Tasty.
So delicious. All right, put them on there. All around. How you want it? However you want it.
Huh?
Oh, don't eat them. Quarantine.
That's good.
Buddy, don't eat them. Just put them on there.
I gotta eat them. I put them on
All
there.
right, honey, you eat these. I'll put yours on there. Eat them.
I'm gonna put that one in there.
All right. You can put it in. Eat that one. Eat it. Say, all right. So
Come and finish.
that's it, buddy. So now we just gotta put it. Wait.
Come and finish.
Let's spray our pan. Spray our pan. All right, so I won't stick to it.
Huh?
All right, place your pizza on there. Pick it up real slowly and place it on here. 2 hands. Yeah, that's it. Nice and soft. Perfect, buddy.
And then we're gonna do yours.
I do mine now.
Let's do yours.
But I'm gonna add a little bacon on mine.
Huh?
I'm gonna add a little bacon on mine.
Bye.
Wait, where you want some cheese?
Hmm?
You just eat it, you greedy rascal.
I agree.
Huh. Cheese and cheese and more cheese. All right, you gonna help me do mine? All right. So put a little olive oil on it. Oh, that's too much. Put it on there. Spread it around. Thank you, buddy.
You're my best friend.
Oh man, I appreciate that, man. Give me some of that.
We're sitting there. I'm making my daddy pizza and I'm gonna make nannies.
You gonna make nannies? All right,
And
so
we're gonna say one for Papa.
ready for the sauce?
They'll be ready for the sauce.
You gonna make one for mommy? You gonna save her one too?
I say one.
Okay. All right. Sauce.
Sauce.
You gonna do it on there?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Then spread it around.
Spread it around for me, guy. My best
Hey.
friend. Hey, that's a nice little. It's a lot of sauce, buddy. Got to take some of that off.
Dad, come here, Nanny. I already got pepperoni on it. And we're gonna put some pepperoni on yours and some more cheese.
Wait, let's take some of the sauce off first.
Give me some.
Buddy, you ain't gonna want no pizza.
Huh?
You eating it all up.
Huh? The cheese pizza. We're gonna put a little bacon on yours.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some bacon on mine.
Mm-hmm.
Give me that. You gotta save some for Nanny.
The sauce on it.
Boy, you eat all this cheese on this. You was funny. Add some bacon.
I'm gonna do it. Let me do it.
I got it.
I'm gonna do it.
That's right, I got it, bud.
Did you put some bacon on mine? Did you? Oh, you got it. There we got it. You get it off. We're making Nanny pizza, guys. And then we're going to make a video that, not yet.
We're going to make a video about Tristan Day show.
About Tristan and Dad show.
Alright, so let's do our sauce.
I want you to get all that Tristan and Dad. Go to get your merch out. Get your merch.
Hey, buddy, promote. Go get your merch. Go get your merch. Hey, this is Tristan Day Show Cooking Edition. We're making pizzas. I'm shouting at Tristan. Hey, tell him you're gonna be what? A big what?
A big success.
A big success.
Big success.
Be a big success. And what are you? You the what?
I'm the best.
Hey, let's get it. This guy's awesome.
And you're gonna be a big decision.
A big success.
You're gonna be a big decision.
A big success.
I'm gonna be the big decision. You're gonna be the big decision.
There you go. Big success.
Dad, I said you said I'm gonna be the big decision. You're gonna be the big decision.
I'm gonna be the big decision. Okay. All right, this is Nanny's.
And that's Nanny. We put pepper. We're gonna put pepperoni, guys. Guys, we're gonna get you this Tristan Daddy Show app.
Their website, Tristan Daddy Show at Wibbly.com.
Oh, when you go, get your ready. ABC Mouse. ABC Mouse.
No, Tristan Daddy Classroom. Tristan Daddy Classroom. But you do have ABC Mouse, which is a good app, very good app for kids.
Like when you have to go.
All right, cheese. Don't eat the cheese.
I'm not gonna eat it.
Put it on there. Spread it around.
Nah. We didn't put the cheese on you. For you. I'm gonna take it out. Take it out.
I'll give it to you. All right. That's too much. That's enough. Right there.
Then we're making pizza.
I'll spread it around.
We got cheese.
He said you gotta go to the merch app.
Get your merch app and go to the Tristan Classroom.
On YouTube.
And buy.
Well, no, you will buy a shirt.
But buy a shirt.
From you. Support my brand. Okay, there you go. Okay, you can eat some now. Don't put it on the pizza.
You're not gonna put it
Just eat yours. You've been snacking and not helping.
And you go to your pizza. Go get your cheese. Go get the leaf.
No, go get the cheese. If they want to make pizza, they gotta go get the crust.
Crust.
And they gotta get the pepperonis.
Pepperoni.
And they gotta get. You been eating the whole time, man. Eating Easter eater.
And don't put your pepperoni on the cheese. Don't put your pepperoni on the cheese.
I wonder where that came from.
I just said earn to the guys.
All right.
We gonna be back.
So Nanny pizza, your pizza's is done.
Huh?
Tell Nanny her pizza's done.
Your pizza's done.
All right. So we gotta place it in here because I don't have the room for that. I'm gonna spray it. All right. Just put it on there. 2 hands together. Right here. Nice. Say stay tuned. We gotta cook them. So we gotta cook them.
We gotta cook them.
And we'll be back so we can show you what we did.
And then we are gonna get Popeye's pizza. He's gonna get one.
Okay, Popeye too.
I never ever get my Ball. Top. Keep going. Kids. Cow. Go. Cake. Eat. Dog. Go.
Very good.
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Change Classroom. Today, spelling love.
Say no, tell them it's in the stove as you can see. Turn around.
It's in the
Show 'em.
stove, you can see.
Show them. It's almost done.
They good done now.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
So we gotta take them out.
We gotta take them out.
So we got 1 minute.
We got 1 minute. We got 1 minute. We got 1 minute. Papa, this pizza ready now. We gotta take it out for 1
Wait,
minute. We're gonna get Papa. Papa, you say you wanted like cheese. Oh, you talking about you wanted cheese? You wanted cheese chips.
Yeah.
Oh no. Dang. I'm gonna get over here. Just knock them out. What? Just wipe them out.
I did.
Look at my plate. My plate. They're not wet.
So the place has been wiped off.
The plate went off.
Wiped off and we're
Right
ready.
off. And we are going to eat
Oh.
this. There they go.
There they go.
There they go. Now come and see that they're ready. Nanny. Now come and see this. They're ready. They're ready. And we can eat them. There they go. They're beeping. They go beeping.
Whoa.
Whoa! Get away! Get alright? Are y'all alright? Are y'all alright?
All right, we're gonna put this down a little bit so they can see the plates.
Right. And then you have this plate.
Wait.
And have my plate. My plate is too washed off. And this thing is plastic. And the other one is like the glass. That's the glass. This is glass over there. And we put all the pieces right there. This is my Popeye pieces. That's your pizza right there. And that's my Popeye's.
What? Don't touch it. Move your hand off the plate.
And I'm gonna put mine beside yours. Hey, let me get her right. Let's switch. There. Hey, Dad, can I switch?
Yeah, sure.
Let's switch.
But that's mine though. Wait. That's which plate you want?
I want that. No!
No, that's mine.
That's not yours. That's not yours. Let me get mine. Let me get mine. Let me get mine. Let me get mine. I can't eat that one. Let me see.
Oh, wait. Say Popeyes.
Popeyes.
Point to it. Say Popeyes.
Popeyes.
Nannies.
Nannies.
Daddies.
Daddies.
And
Tristan's.
all right.
Yum, yum, yum.
What do you think?
That's good. Put that thing in a cup. That's it. Now, I want you to put this lemonade in a cup, please. Now, can you please?
Bon appetit.
Put the thing in a cup.
Let's see you next time.
See you next time. Yeah. Put that in the cup. Put that in the cup. Put it in the
Oh,
cup.
look at
Get your merch, get your merch, get your merch, get your merch, get your merch.